In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Shopify Marketplace Connect app. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your store admin, look to the left-hand sidebar and go to Settings if needed. Then head to Apps. This is where you can manage installed apps and also find new ones for your store. From there, open the Shopify App Store so you can search for the app you need. In the App Store search bar, type Marketplace Connect and run the search. When the app appears in the search results, select it to open the app page. Take a moment to confirm that you have the correct app, then click Install. Shopify will then show you a permissions screen. This page explains what the app can access in your store. Review those permissions carefully, and when you are ready to continue, click Install App to confirm. After the app is installed, you will land on the Marketplace Connect dashboard. Here you can begin linking your store to the marketplace you want to sell on. Click Connect Marketplace to start the setup. The app will ask you to choose your region or country. Make sure you select the correct one, since this affects the marketplaces and settings available to you. Then click Connect Account. Next, you will be redirected to the Marketplace login page. Sign in using your seller account credentials and complete the authorization process to allow Shopify and the marketplace to work together. Once that connection is successful, return to the app and go to the Listings section. In Listings, you will choose how your Shopify products map to the marketplace. This is where you match important product details so your listings are accurate. Depending on the marketplace, that can include fields like category or brand. Take your time here because correct mapping helps prevent errors and makes publishing smoother. When your mapping is set, select the products you want to sell by checking the boxes next to each item. Review your selections so you are only publishing the products that are ready to go live. When everything looks correct, click Publish or Save, depending on the option shown in your app, to send those listings to the marketplace. After that, your products will begin syncing to the connected marketplace. It is a good idea to monitor the app dashboard for any alerts or listing issues after publishing. That covers everything you need to know.